Hi guys, this video is about how I traveled down home to spend Easter with my parents, but I ended up spending Easter home alone and bored. I know what happens when you're home alone and bored. You end up making stupid decisions, doing stupid things that you sometimes regret at the end of the day. This video is about the stupid decisions I made during my Easter break and my attempt to try and fix them. So after my parents left me to go to camp, I had nothing to do at home and decided to spend the whole day doing house chores to take time. So I washed all my dirty clothes and I went to the kitchen and I was like, okay, let's make something to eat. Then I cooked. I made sauce and fried egg. We else cut their pepper with scissors because I can't deal with cutting pepper with knife. Basically because I would have to like be in direct contact with the pepper and the after effect, like the way it's peppers my hand there. Nah, I can't do it. So mostly I use scissors to cut my pepper. So I made egg sauce and fried jam, and then I cleaned. I cleaned the kitchen, I cleaned the stream, I cleaned down, I cleaned everywhere. And there was still more than enough time, and I didn't know what else to do. I even decided to make dinner for my parents so when they come back from camp they will have something to eat. But I was still very bored. At this moment, I remember that I saw a rechargeable clipper in my dad's room, and it's been long I trimmed my hair. I've been watching a lot of DIY. I love DIY, so I'm like, I can't do this. Fighting. I can trim my hair by myself using my father's clipper. So I went in front of the mirror and decided to trim my hair, and you guys should wait. Hold on. Here's the results. I just wanted to show you guys. I was like, it's my son. This is what the hair looks like. I was trying to get a fade. I was like, okay, my hair is now overgrown. Let me fade it. Because I saw the clipper here. And I did something and this is how it ended. I mean, it's not looking that bad. It's bad. It's not that bad. Let's add my baby. I messaged my twinnie because it's been so long since I saw her. So I'm going to outside and we're going to go to a salon there so I can make my hair. I think I'm going to get either kinky twists or knotless braids. I'm getting knotless braids. I'm going for the long one. I'm getting kinky twists. But I'm going to be African. So I'm going to get it. I'm praying that my hair is long enough to do that. To pin. So I'm going to get that, and then I'm now going to go to the barber shop to like really fade this side because this is giving. I'm thinking of waiting for my parents to come back so I can somehow cajole them to give me money to make my hair. But then this is already too full. If I wait for them to come back, I will not say someone to make my hair for. Please don't ask me why I'm going this place to make my hair. It's not my fault that it's my fault anyways or whatever. She's this girl that I follow on TikTok. I think she calls herself, her username is Harlot. And I love her content. Like her content is basically like a get ready with me to go to work kind of thing. I really don't know the proper way to spell first. So nobody should even come on. And I don't even know what the right pronunciation. I don't know which one is supposed to be for the body. I think the one I use is supposed to be for the body. But I just pray. She does like get ready with me to work kind of thing. And she tries on different kind of outfits and she layers them. Something like, it's almost like trust the process because at the end of the day, the outfits are usually really giving. And I love her content because they are very authentic and artistic because it's very pure and natural. Like she doesn't bother herself with using background music or any sounds of that type. She just comes to you. She doesn't even talk. Funniest thing, she just like layers different outfits, paired with different jewelries and accessories. What's different accessories and jewelries? I don't know. And footwears. And then when she feels like okay, this is good to go, she leaves for work. That's basically what her content is about. But it's so calming. At the end of the day, what she's wearing is surely giving. I'm not doing that though. I don't even have the strength that I have that amount of outfits, but I'm just saying. See, it's bad. I think I'm just going to wear this. I need to comb my hair, yeah, but I travel without a comb. So my mom is on low cut, funniest thing, but I can't seem to find a comb in this house at the moment. So I don't know what I'm going to do about this year. I'm just going to pray that I do not see or meet anybody that I know So I get to my twinnies, please. You know when they say type of way people wear perfume, I'm that one that used to do shh everywhere. But then I also used to put it at some point that they used to talk about like ear. I think here also. I think they call it prayer points. Then the back of your ear and your neck. I think I'm good to go. I want to pair this outfit with these glasses. Not like it's that sunny outside, but just because I feel like I should hide my face. So if anybody sees me. As a celebrity that I am. So this hairstyle. I'm like, I should hide my face. I'm going to take a car today to my house junction before I say it takes me because yeah, but let's go. So I ended up changing the glasses to this because I felt like I looked like a bike rider in Formula One. And then I had to go and withdraw at a POS center. After that, I just took a taxi and went to my twinnies place. The person I went to visit, the person that called me to come and visit her, is not at home. She's not at home since morning. She's telling me that she's almost at her estate. And this is still 5. It is 100% certain that I cannot make my hair again today. Who sent me? Who sent me? It was too late to even try and make my hair, so I decided to spend the rest of the day with my baby. And then we watched some movies and made some stupid ass videos. And then I slept over at a place with my baby on my chest. Oh my god, I'm going to miss this boy. Hi guys, good morning. I know what you're saying. Why is this guy still looking like this? Why is my hair still undone? So I got very late to this woman's place yesterday. I not really get late. I mean, I got late, but we are going to blame both of us because I should have gone earlier, but she was unreachable. So we just spent the whole day watching movie and playing. And then today we're trying to fix this place up because she's trying to open. Let me show you the victim's face. Why did I say victim? Jesus Christ. I say culprit. That's her over there. We're trying to open up this place. She's opening up what's the name? Talk to them.
Nice to right. I'm just
talking.
Okay, so what's the name of this place? It's D&D, sponsored by our Cornerstone Ideas.
So she's opening up on the 24th. If you stay at Alagbaka in Akure, the shop is at Internal Revenue. Promote your business. This is free promo. And she's smiling. What do you do? What do you say? What do you guys make?
Make pastries, ice cream, small chops, edibles, brownies, cakes, just anything you think of. Smoothies, juices,
Cocktails,
yogurt, cocktails, mocktails. Just anything that makes your heart to beat.
So if you're a sweet tooth, this is the right place to be at. We are trying to clear this place up and set it up to prepare for you guys. So I'm expecting to see all of you on the 24th of April. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm still going to fix all this. My day is actually very jam-packed. But let's go. So I helped in setting up for a bit, but then I had to rush up to get my own things done because I had a lot of things planned for that day. I went to the store. I think it's called Starlet Suru Stock. And guys, if you're looking for the best place to get your skincare products and your perfumes, at least those two, I can 100% recommend the store because I feel like they have everything. And then their products are really very affordable, like compared to other stores I've been in, both in Akure and Lagos. They have most of what you need. I've not gone there in search of anything that I didn't find, and they have it at a very cheap price compared to other stores in both Akure and Lagos. So if you're in Akure, go to Starlet. It's close to Crunches. That's close to Cathedral, if you know where that is. So yes, I paid for my stuffs, and on my way out of the store, I saw this nice cake parfait. and it was really ancient. It was calling on to me. It was velvet cake and I was hungry, so I bought it also. And then I left the store and ate everything inside the car. Everything. Not because it was nice, because if I want to rate their cake parfait, it's going to be like 6/10, but I was very hungry, so I finished it. So guys, I'm back home. I've had my bed. On my way back, I went to this woman here. There's a salon here, she makes hair. And I asked her if she could fix my hair for me. And she said, yes. I wanted to do that passion twist or let's braid, but she said my hair is too small to make it let's braid. So we're going to make passion twist and I'm supposed to be at that place already. So I'm going there now. I'm supposed to go and see my cousin, the one that got married last year. I've not seen her since she got married. I'm supposed to go and see her today. Can I put my bag? And then there's a friend of mine that I'm also supposed to go and see. I want to start this Marvel series from the beginning, like from Thor to the Black Panther that came out this year. I want to watch everything, and she has most of it, so I want to go and get them from her, from some movies also. Yeah, and then see my cousin, and then make my hair. And this is past 11. I have this bad habit of pushing all my stuffs into a day because I don't really like going out. I just compress everything into a day and try and do everything within that day, so I don't have to go out. Let's see if I can make this work. So I got to my hairdresser's place and she went straight into business. It's almost like a cultural thing now for you to be the one to pick hair for your hairdresser whenever you're making your hair, and then she compliments you by giving you premium gist of everything going around in the neighborhood. So if you've been away for a while and want to know the tea on everyone in that community, then just go and visit your hairdresser because she has all the gist at her fingertips and she's ready to serve them to you hot. So yeah, we were done with the hair and I'm just like checking it out, and then she sprayed this, I don't know what they call it, on the hair to make it shine, so she said. Then after, I was trying to like pack the hair and see what style would fit me and where the barber was going to like cut off from the hair, so the hairstyle like comes out really nicely. Guys, the barber just asked me who blended my hair. Should we tell him? But she me. Oh god, I beg. I saw my father's clipper at home and I was like, let me try. Like she trying, she.
I'm looking at a wicked person. I will collect your money.
Take how much you share, like I beg, don't want me. You're supposed to reduce my money.
And I'm not very good at this shit. If I take fellow Baba, you know, she will finish it. And I commend you that you try. So far, it's not in my house. In the very Baba like you.
So yeah, the barber did this thing. He actually tried, I will not lie, and then he sprayed whatever that stuff was on my head, and this was the result. I just want to take a break from everything and say, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless. So I left the barber shop and headed out to my friend's place because I still had 2 places to be at before I go back home: my friend's place and my cousin's place. I got to my friend's place and started collecting the movies I needed, and after that I did a bunch of mirror selfies because who doesn't like a nice room decor and mirror selfies. So guys, I think I'm going to make it. This is past 5. I'm right at my friend's place and I can swear our room is, I don't even know how to call it, but I've told her multiple times that I want to change room with us. See how fine, see how nice our room is, and that's Yinka over there. But see our room now. See the mirrors she has, and mostly look at this, guys. Just see. I want to give you guys like a better angle. See this. I see the quotes on the wall: catch waves, not feelings. Feeling is believing. Keep moving forward. Like, then with the lights, the blue lights, and everything just makes sense. Anyways, I'm supposed to be at my aunt's place by 6, and this is past 5, so I think I'm really going to make it. So I'll be leaving here in like 30 minutes or so, and then we'll see you guys when I get there. I left my friend's place to my cousin's place around 6. Did I make it to my cousin's place on time? No, but the main thing is I saw her. I want everybody to see what you gave me. Santidiola gave me pounded jam and a foriwo with chicken. I want to make you manage it. Massive video. I should manage kidney. Oh God, I beg. I can't remember the last time I took Pandage Yam. One going for me. Get you a sister like Auntie Diola. But anyhow, I swear. Oh my God, guys. So I actually did make it. Call me Superwoman. Because I ran on my hair and so I did everything. I'm back home. This was it. Yeah. So I'm back from my cousin's place and she actually gave me a gift. She has been keeping this gift for me since last year. I don't know what is inside. I'm going to open it now. Off camera. I don't think I want to show you guys too. I'm just going to close the video. So yeah, thank you for spreading Easter with me, if that makes sense. And please do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe! What are you waiting for? Please, sorry, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video if you like it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.